Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker QCY SP7 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings. Then we need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Right here at the right side we have a button disconnect, at least on stock Android. And you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. And in the future you can reconnect your speaker. If you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone or from your device. So if you need this, just select forget button or unpair button. Maybe you have not forget or forget device button. And now let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I said, I leave it at the device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with it, and I can easily reconnect. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!